Caption: Rosa being fingerprinted. Caption: Reverend Martin Luther King Jr. outlining boycott strategies to his organizers, including Rosa Parks. The Reverend Martin Luther King Jr. helped the boycott get off to a strong start. On the evening of December 5, 1955, he addressed nearly 1,000 people at the Holt Street Baptist Church in Montgomery. He said, "We're going to work with grim and firm determination to gain justice on the buses in this city. And we are not wrong in what we are doing. If we are wrong, the Constitution of the United States is wrong. If we are wrong, justice is a lie. And we are determined here in Montgomery to work and fight until justice runs down like water and righteousness like a mighty stream." Martin Luther King's words resonated like thunder on a dark night. The kind of thunder that stirs you from the inside out. As a protest to the treatment they and Rosa had received, every black resident of Montgomery stopped riding the city's buses. They walked to where they wanted to go. They walked miles and miles, to work, to church, to the bank, to the grocery store. They organized carpools, and by denying money to the city bus system, they showed white people that black men and women were valuable paying customers. No matter how tired of walking they may have been, some had to wake up long before dawn to get to work on time. They refused to give up. Caption: African Americans carpool during bus boycott, deserted bus in background. Rosa lost her job as a result of her arrest and the boycott. To earn money, she tailored clothes in her home. She spent the rest of her time helping the boycott stay organized. The boycott rolled on for more than a year. Finally, on December 20th, 1956, the Supreme Court ruled that in the state of Alabama, segregated buses were illegal. Black people went back to riding buses the very next day, and you can best believe that on buses in Montgomery and throughout the state, black people sat in the front enjoying their view of justice. The Montgomery bus boycott was an important triumph for African Americans. It was the beginning of the end of all segregation, but it was a victory that came at a cost to Rosa. Soon after the boycott ended, Rosa received angry threats from white people who were in favor of segregation. A few months later, Rosa and Raymond Parks and Rosa's mother Leona moved to Detroit, Michigan, where Rosa's brother had settled. Living in the North enabled Rosa to continue her civil rights interests peacefully. In 1965, she began working in the office of John Conyers, a young black congressman. As she had done at the NAACP, Rosa kept the congressman's office running smoothly. She also helped him find housing for the city's homeless. Whenever Rosa saw an opportunity to serve fellow African Americans, she took it. In 1987, she founded the Rosa and Raymond Parks Institute for Self-Development, a means for teaching young people about civil rights. Over time, Rosa has gained many impressive titles. She has been called the mother of the civil rights movement and the patron saint of the civil rights movement. She even has 2 streets named after her, one in Detroit, the other in Montgomery. Montgomery's Cleveland Avenue, where Rosa caught the bus on that landmark day in 1955, was later renamed Rosa Parks Boulevard. No single pronouncement can ever fully capture the impact that Rosa Parks has had on the condition of civil rights in America and beyond. Caption: Opening of the Rosa Parks Highway. Caption: Rosa Parks in 1999.